Saibainuo Machinery Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of advanced extrusion machinery and designer of system integration. With 16 years' experiences specialized in design, R&D, and production of food and feed extrusion machinery, the puffed food production line, textured soy protein production line, pet food equipment, and lab extruder have advanced technology and reliable quality, and have obtained 9 national patents. The textured soy protein extrusion technology has won the second prize for outstanding contributions, issued by the Ministry of Agriculture and the Agricultural Society. Established a complete quality assurance system. Passed CE certification, ISO 9001 certification, AAA credit certification, SGS certification. From material procurement, parts manufacturing, equipment assembly, to finished product inspection, each link has strict quality standards. Each equipment must be strictly tested before shipping until a qualified product is produced. As a leading manufacturer of inflating food machinery with reliable equipment and professional services, the machines are spread across 10 Asian countries such as India, Thailand, Pakistan, South Korea, and Japan. The machines are also exported to the United States, Europe, Australia, and Africa. We keep improving our machine and upgrade techniques to satisfy the requirement of all the clients. Experienced engineers available for machine installation, commissioning, and training around the world. Our philosophy is kept promises, as good as gold. We offer the most suitable equipment to help customer get a good return.